Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to use Google Stitch. So if you are a web designer, then you can use this AI tool. Here you can go and type Stitch AI. Then you can go here, Stitch with google.com. And here you can type anything. For example, build a web design agency landing page. So whatever you want to create, you can simply type it and then click on this button. Now here you can see design is ready. So we have different sections. From here you can zoom in and out. You can drag it and adjust. Then first option is here you can click on edit and you can create some notes. For example, if you want to do some customization. After that, click on exit button. Second option is adjust theme. Here you can add different colors and then click on apply button. And then here you can add border radius and then select the font. And here you can select the light design and dark design. Now let me zoom in and drag it here. You can expand it from here. You can also view the source code from here. Now here you can see this one is HTML code. So you can easily edit and add anything.